Well. Today, eBay made some unannounced changes, and a few of you guys messaged me, emailed me, commented, and let me know about them, but I gotta be honest with you guys, I kinda already knew. I noticed it at the bottom of some of my listings, and I did some research on Google, some online searches, and I found it in some forum boards, some other places. What the heck am I talking about? eBay decided when you run an item for sale that they're not gonna tell the customer, the potential buyer, that the item is on sale at the top of the listing like they used to. Where are they gonna tell the customer the item's on sale? Brrr, drum roll please. At the bottom of the listing. So instead of letting the buyer know right at the top of the banner, hey, this item is 30% off, or buy two, get one free, or spend 50 bucks, get free shipping, whatever the case might be. No. Now it's gonna appear to the buyer under the description box, whoop, 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 all the way down there, especially to mobile users. Those of us that use, I don't know where my phone is, but those 70% of us that shop on our phone, it has already been proven that no one scrolls down below the description box. Half the people don't even read the description box. That goes for desktop and mobile, but mainly mobile. And so now our items are gonna be on sale, but no one is gonna know it. So it does help in the search ranking. I will give them that. Running a sale is proven. The items will move up in the search ranking, people will find them. But they're still not gonna get that mental sense of, hey, this item's on sale, urgency, awesome deal, let me buy it. So I gotta ask eBay, listen, I'm team eBay, but you push us to do sales, you give us better search rankings for running a promotional sale, and then you decide to do this? What's the story, guys? Come on, what gives, look, I'm gonna get personal here, you guys, I'm gonna bring the camera up. Listen, eBay, please change it back. Please let the customers know right up here at the top that our item's on sale. It's really not that difficult. And I gotta imagine that it doesn't change your coding or your workload or the layout of the website or anything else remotely important enough other than, hey, this item is on sale. Last time I checked, eBay's in the market of selling items. Maybe not themselves, but making sure that we, the third party, the sell, hi, right there, that we sell items. And if you want us to sell more items, you have to let the potential buyers, those guys right there, know that our items are on sale. Hey, I'm 50% off. Anyways, you guys get the point, I'm being silly. But this sounds like an insane, absolutely backwards move on eBay's part. Somebody explain this to me. Somebody from eBay comment on this. Somebody from eBay email me. Somebody tell me the reasoning that you would put the sale notification, the banner, the big giant I'm on sale, I'm a deal at the bottom and not at the top. It doesn't seem to make sense to me. And if you guys thought that wasn't bad enough, change number 2 is that big number that tells you the number of people that are watching your item. When you open it up, when you hit the view item page, it's not gonna appear there anymore. It's not gonna be displayed. You can't see how many people are watching your items. You'll be able to see it from a different page, but not from that main page when you open the item up. Again, what is the point of these changes? Can we not just leave stuff alone? Listen, I have this old saying, all of us know it from way back in the day. This is as old as time. If it's not broke, don't fix it. Don't fix it, guys. Leave it, please. Leave it. It's hard enough to keep continuing doing what we're doing with what we've got. Don't break the things that are actually helping us. Don't undo them. Okay, that's me ranting. That's me done. I just thought everyone should know, and please check me and tell me if I'm wrong on this, but man, that sale thing is super important, and I'm a little pissed off. So eBay, give me an answer. They're not gonna be happy with me about this video. I'll probably get an email about my negative tone videos, but you know what? This is negative. Stop screwing with our listings. That's all I got for you guys. That's it. I'm sorry. Sorry to be negative, sorry to be boring. Leave eBay alone. I give up. I can't do it anymore, guys. I can't. Leave me a comment, like the video, share it, whatever. I don't care. Tweet it, Instagram it, Facebook it. Tweet at eBay for Business, Facebook eBay for Business. Let them know that you don't like the change. Maybe they'll listen this time. I don't have any connections that matter. Whoever I have connections with are whatever. just comment below, guys. I'll see you next time.